In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and tapping on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. When you're ready, you need to hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, select All option at the top left corner. To pick some of them you wish to keep, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!